Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I wanted to share with you my latest experience and key takeaways from the Figma conference, Config 2024. A few weeks ago, I attended the Figma annual conference, Config, at the Moscow Center in San Francisco. So it is my very first time attending this conference in person. There are a lot of great content announced at this meeting. The topic this year is very heavily focused on AI. There were a lot of super cool AI powered features introduced by Figma. However, I have to say the overall experience of attending this physical conference in person is very chaotic. It literally took me 2 hours to wait in the line just to get into the convention center. There are, I believe, a lot of people actually flew in from different cities, different countries to attend this event. There are a huge amount of people waiting in line trying to get in the conference, listening to the keynote. However, I heard there are rumors about that the sign-up machine is broken. It took a ridiculously long time for people to get in. So I got in the door around 11 a.m. On the first day of the event. And instead of a real badge with my name that signed up, the event crew just started distributing a standard badge and hand people like a Sharpie to write your name on it. I appreciate the efforts to actually get people quickly in, but overall, the event planning definitely have room to improve. So anyway, let's back to this topic. So first of all, let me share with you some highlight of the AI features announced at Config. There are a number of AI-powered features that were introduced at Config. Here is a quick summary of the 6 AI tools that I find really interesting. Number 1, Make Design, which is basically a feature that allows you to generate any design mocks from text. So this one is actually temporarily unavailable, which I will talk more about why. Number 2, Visual Search. So Visual Search is a function that allows you to drop in any image and then search for similar designs and components from your shared organization or team. I think it's quite often for us to come across with a case that you see a design, but you don't remember where you saw it. You have the image, but you have to dig through so many channels and asking people in chats to figure out, where is the source file? So this function actually helps you to visual search the image really quick and locate the original design. Number 3, rename layers. I have to say, I am very bad at naming my layers and keeping my file organized. And this feature will automatically give your layers a meaningful name with a one click. Number 4, make prototypes. So this one, based on the demo that I saw, it can actually turn static mocks automatically into interactive prototype. This is one of those features I feel very excited about, and I've been waiting to test it once it is rolled out. Number 5, rewrite text. So besides the Make Design and other features we just looked at, I am very excited about Figma slides. There is like a text to slide that made possible with the new AI feature. And also there's something called tone dial that I thought is a really cool feature that I wanted to share with you. So basically, tone dial is a feature that allows users to use AI to tweak the text. So first of all, I am very bad at writing. Every time I come to writing the text for my presentation or the mock, I just got stuck and it can take me hours to figure out the right copy. If you look at this matrix, the tone dial has 2 dimensions. The horizontal one is concise versus expanded, and the vertical one is casual versus professional. As you need, you can adjust the tone and how long you're looking for the copy, and AI will automatically help you craft the perfect message for your audience. On this topic, I wanted to mention that Make Design is a feature that Figma has put back after a criticism that it ripped off Apple's design. So basically, after the announcement of those Figma AI features, people have been testing it, and Andy Allen, the CEO of Not Boring Software, showed how closely Figma's Make Design tools has made a near replicate of Apple's weather app. There has been quite some discussions around this topic. Figma CEO Dylan Field also posted a thread on X defending the company's approach to developing its AI tools. Anyway, if you're interested, feel free to dig more. But long story short, Make Design is a feature that currently not available as part of the Figma beta to try those AI features. Another feature I thought really cool is the AI features introduced in FigJam, which I was able to test it. By the way, this is a tool that I think is really helpful when you're doing whiteboarding, brainstorm, or doing any kind of ideation activities. Let's take a look at an example. So I am in FigJam right now with the AI beta version. You will see this little icon here that you can tap on, and it's gonna pop up this little window where you can enter a text prompt to generate a board, from a mind mapping to timeline, flowchart, and more. Let's test it out. I'm just gonna use this default thing as an example. Brainstorm for summertime marketing events for a food delivery startup. Generate. There we go. It has generated this template for a brainstorming activity of summer marketing events for food delivery startup. It has started board of like event ideas, target audience, execution plans, and you can use this as a start to adjust the board to your need. Also want to mention the organize. If you're hosting this brainstorm with a big team, say a team of 20 or 20 plus people, it can take quite some time to summarize. And with this new feature under organize, you can actually sort the stickies, help you summarize what are the key notes that's entered in those sticky notes from different team members. By the way, if you're interested to test those new features, this is what you need to do. You can log into Figma, and on this pop-up window of everything we launched at Config 2024, you can click to learn more under Meet Figma AI plus a new UI. Once you click join the waitlist, you will be able to test those new features once they are rolled out in the beta version. After seeing all those newly introduced AI features, what do you think? My takeaway is design productivity will increase throughout the whole process. From ideation to design, prototyping, and presentation, I think the production work will take less time with AI. Searching will become much easier, getting inspiration and connect the inspiration to your actual work will be made much easier with AI. However, if you're thinking about the core of design, which is problem solving, critical thinking, and building empathy, and apply your creativity to solve complex problems, I think those are the things that will not be easily replaced by AI. As AI advances rapidly day by day, I won't be surprised that there will be more features that coming out that will make the barrier to create design lower and more accessible to everyone. But at the same time, it actually triggered me to think about what does good design mean in the age of AI. If you're talking about making pretty screens or creating a really cool prototypes, those might be things that AI will quickly reach the level that can easily compete with a great UX designer. There's this article that I read in the recent Figma magazine, and you can also see this article in the digital version on the website here. There are some really good thinkings and discussions about what good design means in the age of AI. And there's a comment from Oscar that I feel resonate a lot with. This is what he said. As AI will always produce the standard, most conventional approach, it will also be the role of the designers to bring new ideas to the table. After all, AI trained on the past and cannot invent the future. The question of will AI replace UX design's job is getting a lot of discussions and debates, and I have also recorded a video a while ago addressing this topic, which I think, of course, my thoughts are continue to evolve, but from where I stand as of today, even though there are so many AI-powered features that being introduced by Figma, by different companies in the industry, it actually makes me think more about what is the foundation of design. What does design mean? In my mind, design is not just about creating beautiful screens or making flashy, eye-catching animations. At the core of design, it is to solve the problems in people's everyday life. So will AI replace UX design's job? I think it depends on what's your definition of a UX designer's job. If you think UX designer's job is to create beautiful screens or beautiful prototypes, then I do think AI has a pretty high chance to replace that job. But take a step back, which I believe for UX designer's job is way beyond the production work, but bringing your critical thinking and creativity to fuse those science, technology, and art creativity part together to really focus on human, be able to solve complex problem with your creativity, which I think is the core value of a UX designer. So let me know what you think. Also, if you're interested to learn more about the technical side or see more live demo of those new AI features, just leave me a comment and I would love to hear from you. So that is all I have for today. I will see you next time. Bye.